alam niyo po, when I joined the department, January 5, 2023, no? My past life was a mayor. Mayor po ako dati. What was given to me was the cluster. Pansinin niyo ho. Tanungin niyo ho lahat ng user. Pag tinanong, it was the cluster that no one wants. Yung admin, personnel, at saka itong finance. We will learn a lot from our resource speaker. We will learn a lot from each other. Tandaan nyo ha, hindi lang si speaker ang matututo. Ang paggagalingan ng material na para matuto, pati kayo. Kasi all your inputs, your active participation would be contributory to the success of the activity. Anong kalaban dito pag training? Yung mindset na alam ko na yan, narinig ko na yan, di ba? Anong kalaban natin dito? Pride. Kaya to work. Di ba? It's not supposed to be easy, but it can be fun. But because of the attitude of the participants, you can have a very lively, very active, and very successful activity. We put the work so that we serve. And remember, this is public service. We public service, we serve the public. So dito, kung anong kaya natin ibigay at lahat ng pwede natin ibigay natin sa publiko. Kami sa DOJ Main, always here to, di ba? To hear you and to listen to you and to find a common ground how we can work something out. Pagtibayin pa natin yung pagsiservisyo natin. Kasi ito ang kailangan. Ito ang bagong Pilipino para sa bagong Pilipinas. Kaya muli, maraming salamat. Magandang umaga sa inyo. Thank you.
You're nothing but a secondary trying hard, kap.
Tubig.
Hindi na simpa.
Noy? Yes. Will you marry me? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Importante po talaga yung communication para sa amin kasi ayun po yung nagko-complete ng work and ayun po yung nagsa-start ng work po para sa amin.
Number 1 is continuous learning. Number 2, adaptability. 3, communication style. 4, work-life balance. 5, respect for authority.
Yung top 1 po namin is communication style. Second po is respect for authority. Third is collaboration. Fourth is continuous learning. And fifth is work-life balance.
Punctuality, communication style, continuous learning, adaptability, and lastly, collaboration. We believe po that the most important is punctuality kasi naniniwala po kami na the rest po will rely solely on people po. Showing
Mga ties, pero number 1 talaga among us, continuous learning. Kasi, syempre, hindi lang naman kung ano lang yung alam mo, mag-i-stop ka na doon. Kailangan. Kaya kami mga seminars tayo. So basically, para matuto.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I'm Chief Police of Barangay Tambay. The first 3 action steps that I will introduce will be increasing the police visibility in the said area. This will include shift adjustment, transfer of some officers with less criminality area to the in the area with the spark burglaries in the city.
Police Asia of Group 1 po. If there's a spike of burglaries in the city, this is what Chief of Police of Group 1 will do. So number 1, coordinate with the LGU, especially in the barangay level. If there's a spike po in burglaries in the neighborhood, we need more manpower, and especially for small neighborhoods or streets lang po, we need barangay tanods, their help. So, mabilis po natin ma-actionan yung mga
PNP Chief, Director General Nilo, other service. Bilang sa PNP Chief na nanungkulan sa pwesto ngayon, pansamantala, ngayong araw lang, bilang isang PNP Chief, kinakailangan unang gagawin ko bilang isang PNP Chief ay mag-conduct ng meeting sa mga officials in the certain area, may pag-coordinate sa mga ahensya ng pamahalaan, kagaya ng DANG, sa PNP din at saka mismo sa mga local government din. Mag-conduct din ng investigation, manghihingi ng mga reports kung ano yung manghihingi ng reports or kinakailangan natin ng documents kung ano yung possible na action na gagawin natin or mapag-aralan.
To conduct command conference and to promote the 911 hotlines all over the barangays who are high in crimes, and then increase police visibility and strictly implementation of curfews and 24 hours roving patrols, and the number 3 is coordination to the barangay police watchmen or authorities.
Thank you.
Chief of Police, magpapatawag ako ng meeting ng lahat ng head of police ng bawat presinto na nasasakupan. Pangalawa, mag-assign ako ng police patrol or visibility sa area. Pangatlo, makikipag-coordinate ako sa barangay officials para mag-assign sila ng mga additional na mag-ronda 24 hours.
Thank you.
ang highlight. Ang bulletin, sir? Sige po.
Kagaya nga sabi ni Yusef, maski na ikaw ay GO lang, mahalaga ka. Yung self-esteem medyo tumaas because of the first day of this seminar. Hopefully, it will bring more positive feedback tomorrow na mas matututunan namin sa trabaho.
Ayun nga po patuloy na sinabi ni Kuya Chris na kahit gano'ng kaliit yung role natin dito sa as the DOJ employee, naapektuhan pa rin yung company in general dun sa ginagawa natin. Kasi mahalaga tayo. You know. Thank you.